how to write blogs with Harpa AI. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super easy tutorial. Now let's get started right away. Well, first of all, you want to go ahead and get your hands on Harpa AI. Now you want to click on the Add to Chrome button in order to download the extension. And you also have a quick overview of what it can exactly do. So once you have your hands on Harpa AI, you want to go to an article or a blog that you want to write a blog about as well. So then you want to go ahead and open up Harpa AI. Now you want to click on / and this will open up a bunch of commands. So for example, productivity, control, marketing, and SEO, which is very nice. For example, outrank SEO article, which is actually pretty cool. Copywriting. So here you can write articles, but also blog posts from topic. So create a capacious blog post from the given topic. So the copywriting section is what you mostly want to use. A very easy way to do this is, for example, click on the blog post from topic. So if you click on there, it says enter topic. Now you can, for example, literally copy and paste the title of this article in there. It actually did decently well. Now, I'm just speeding through this just to show you guys, but you should definitely read this through and thoroughly check if it doesn't just completely copy this article over here. You can also use, for example, Originality AI in order to check it out if the originality is actually pretty nice or not. And in general, this blog is actually very short. Now, how can you actually write a bigger blog or article? You want to go ahead and go back to the copywriting section, and you want to create an article outline. Now you can use the article outline markdown or MECE. Now the MECE uses the MECE framework and this one doesn't. So let's say I were to go for this one. When I simply click on there and it says, what does the article, it's a little bit of a weird sentence, but what should it be about? Now you can copy that same topic again, and then it will create an outline for you. And this is the very quick outline, as you can see. And now what we can do is simply click on / again, go back to the copywriting section, click on article section. Now here it says generate an article section content used in combination with article outline command, which we've just done. So please copy and paste below a single section of the article outline. So a single section is simply this over here, for example. I'm going to copy it, paste it over here, hit enter, and now we'll start making the article for each section. Now keep in mind that when this is green, it is still typing. So sometimes it stops for a little, but then you can see that it's still actually typing it out with that green circle over there. Now we can actually copy over this section over here. Now, as you can see, this is actually doing pretty well, but it is taking a pretty long time. And yeah, you should be able to do this for each single section. And then you have a full-on article, which is actually pretty long. But what you can, for example, do is put this once again in originality.ai and see how original it is. And if you see that parts are basically copied, for example, from this article over here, then you can put that in ChatGPT and, for example, say rewrite this part. And then you will have a way more original blog or article. So yeah, that is kind of it. That's how you can easily write blogs with Harpa AI. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.